Hello everyone! Today we are going to make a delicious teddy bear fluffy bread in muffin pan. Let's get ready with the ingredients. Step 1. Prepare all the dry ingredients. All the different type of flour plus the plain yogurt. In the separate container, put the dry yeast and also 70 gram honey plus water. I use 1 tablespoon honey and mix together with 70 gram water. Mix the yeast water inside the dry ingredients and add 1 egg in there. Mix it until it forms a smooth and stretchy dough like this. The remaining 50 gram butter. While the dough is proving, prepare the milk powder filling. Mix all these ingredients together in a mixing bowl. Butter, sugar, salt, 10 gram of egg, 50 gram of milk powder, and half a teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix and incorporate together. You should see the texture like this. After 1 hour, let's check out our dough. It should double up the size than original. Let's remove all this satisfying stretchy dough from the mixing bowl. Place some flour to prevent the stickiness. Remove all the excess from the mixing bowl. It should be light and fluffy to touch. If a little bit too wet or sticky, you can place a little bit flour. Once it's shaped the manageable dough, we can shape the bear body. Take out around 60 gram of dough. Put the rolling pin and flatten in the dough. This is the bottom part for the teddy bear body. Stretch to the oval shape like this. Scoop 1 tablespoon of milk powder filling. Spread across evenly. And we can start to roll it up. And try to roll into the ball shape. And put into the muffin pan. Here you go, there's a teddy bear body. Next, let's make the bear head. Similar to the body, flatten into the round shape and put the filling in there. Try to close the seam and place into the ball shape like a head. Now decorate the yeast. Take out the 2 little balls, making sure they put at the side of the bear head. You can use some water to stick the ear onto the head itself and put on top of the body in the muffin pan. There you go. Bake at 180 Celsius for 20 minutes after 20 minutes proof. Once cool down, let's decorate the eyes and nose with the melted chocolate. Place the white chocolate button as a nose and the mouth. Look how innocent are they! Serve your teddy bear bread in a muffin pan with a side of milk powder filling and enjoy the delightful treat. This is my recap recipe of teddy bear bread in a muffin pan. If you like this similar content, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for joining us in our baking tutorial. Thanks for watching.